When talking flooring in a bathroom, of course, tile is the number one recommendation. From that point, we're gonna take that and we're gonna say, okay, what kind of tile? Well, porcelain tile is the least maintenance required, and it's non-porous, and you just clean. Beauty, when we're talking about beauty, porcelain has come a long way again, thanks to technology. So there is lots of porcelain tile out there that is made to look like real stone, but they're not. So we explore that with our clients, we talk about it, because there is a lots of folks that like the real stone feel. That could be travertine, that could be marble, that could be limestone, right? And they easily fall into this, oh, I am going to put it on the floor because I'm not going to cook in the bathroom, so it will be okay. Be careful, yes and no. Being a natural stone, it is porous, so any of the soapy water, the dirty water, or even if you have just hard water, will penetrate through the stone, and over time it will create rings of darkening or yellowing, or I have seen also some marble turn into some purple residue that comes to the surface. It all depends. But ultimately, again, if you like that look, porcelain is beautiful. You need to have a designer that knows what is the lines, what's the brands, the lines that are carried, that will give you that feel and look of the real stone. But you don't have to have the maintenance, and you don't have to pay what the real stone tile looks and is, because the porcelain is cheap. Now, with all that said, Cambria has launched new tile pieces. I'll call them that. They have several sizes of tile that are made of their top 15 colors, and those are made 100% from quartz. From previous blogs with me, you know that quartz is non-porous, period. So the new updated product makes us very happy, because it allows us to give you the stone look, the stone feel, and also not having to worry that anything will penetrate anything, because again, it is a quartz product. Cambria has managed to produce those tiles into a polished or Hon satin version. And for the floor, obviously the Hon or satin version totally works. We have so many clients that actually take the Hon and the satin version for the walls as well, because it just looks so good. But that will give you the total peace of mind that you can have the look you want without having to compromise on maintenance or on quality of the stone. It does come with a price, because we're talking about quartz and we're talking about Cambria, but it's not as bad as what is to have a full Cambria slab book matched into the shower, for example, right? So we all know that if we're using a Cambria slab in the shower, you're going to pay the equal or more than what the countertop slabs will cost, versus this new tile product that Cambria launched with their selected sizes. They're half that price. Some of them, depend again on the color, are even less than that. So only few people in town, I should say few companies in town are allowed to work and offer this product. Of course, we're one of them. We love Cambria. We love to talk to you about it. So I would say if a bathroom remodel is coming up, definitely give us a call and we can tell you all about it.